So the Power Core is Mesa's next generation stationary unit. The goal behind it is to get to the point where we're taking generators and putting it into a stationary position where it sits behind, say, a building or a grocery store for the 5 to 10 year or more length of time.
One of our go-to names for a market is resiliency as a service. So we're able to provide a very low-cost project for a customer and treat that as a service. It can be managed in a lot of different ways, but I think that's what sets us apart.
We don't want to just give them a standard off-the-shelf solution. We want to give them something that is really optimal for what they have going on in their specific site. We don't want to give them too much power. We don't want to breach any code issue violations or anything. We want to make sure that they're up and running properly, safely into code, and it's meeting their specific need for power.
Reliability depends on what side of the fence you're standing on. So reliability from a customer's standpoint has a lot to do with their uptime. So if you're talking about critical load infrastructure, that could be a grocery store, a assisted living facility, a manufacturer with a lot of product in line. That reliability for them to maintain their day-to-day operation and their uptime is how we've positioned the Power Core to be able to facilitate power delivery. Reliability for Mesa comes down to our quality across the board, whether it be our design, the way that we operate the units, the way that we install the units, the systems, the way that we maintain our units. All of those pieces add to how reliable our system is. Typically, when someone says microgrid, they're talking about more than one power source. So you've got a generator, you've got solar, you've got wind, you've got battery storage. Typically, a microgrid is going to incorporate at least one or two of those types of topics. A lot of the applications we look at are in islanded mode, so we build a microgrid with a lot of different generators, providing a microgrid in the sense that we're stepping up the voltage and providing power to numerous sources of power. What's unique about our system is that we can come in and set up the controls in a way that it can participate all those resources in a very reliable way.